During a solar eclipse, what is the hot, colorful crown-shaped outer atmosphere that surrounds the Sun called? Corona. What is the world's largest coral reef system? A brilliant marine treasure off the coast of Australia visible even from space. Great Barrier Reef. Which sport, also held at the ancient Olympics, involves two people grappling on a mat to overpower each other with strength and technique? Wrestling. Which Portuguese explorer led the first circumnavigation of the globe and is credited with discovering the Pacific Ocean? Ferdinand Magellan. Which country performed the first implantation of an artificial heart? United States. Who is the genius who changed the world with the theory of relativity and explored the speed of light? Albert Einstein. Who invented the first telescope? Hans Lippershey. What was the first commercial jet airliner? Comet. What is the Einstein effect that makes time pass more slowly the closer you move to the speed of light? Time dilation. What is the lightest gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Hydrogen. What is the highest waterfall in the world? Angel Falls. What is the triangular landform created where a river flows into the sea and deposits sediment? Delta. What is the economic phenomenon that reduces the value of money and causes prices to soar? Inflation. Which country bore the greatest responsibility and was required to pay reparations after World War I? Germany. Which bustling South Asian capital of Bangladesh, full of mosques and markets, is this? Dhaka. What was the first device to record and play back sound? Phonograph. Which South American country is known for samba and football and contains the heart of the Amazon? Brazil. Which civilization was the first in the world to mint and use metal coinage? Lydia. Which Southeast Asian country, home to Halong Bay's emerald waters, is known as the Kingdom of Rice Noodles? Vietnam. Which finger's nail grows the fastest? Middle finger. How long does sunlight take to reach the Earth? About 8 minutes 20 seconds. In which country is the oldest pyramid located? Egypt. Which country developed the world's first maglev train, the homeland of trains that fly without rails? Japan. Which frog, living in tropical rainforests and displaying bright colors to warn of toxicity, was used by indigenous people to poison arrow tips? Poison dart frog. What was the chemical substance discovered by accident in the 19th century that became the first artificial sweetener 300 times sweeter than sugar? Saccharin. Which romantic capital, home to the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre, is the heart of France? Paris. Why do cats purr in their throats? Comfort and healing effect. Which large Central Asian country, home to the Baikonur Cosmodrome, is the world's largest landlocked nation? Kazakhstan. Which company developed the world's first digital camera? Kodak. What was the shortest war in history that ended in 38 minutes between Britain and an African island nation? Anglo-Zanzibar War. Which tropical African country experiences the most lightning in the world, where equatorial rains call forth storms? Democratic Republic of the Congo. Who is known as the father of microbiology, the French scientist who developed the rabies vaccine and pasteurization of milk? Louis Pasteur. Which communist federation centered on Russia was founded in 1922 and dissolved in 1991? Soviet Union. What is known as the oldest metal wind instrument? Cornu. What is the largest tropical rainforest in the world, the vast green heart of South America and a treasure trove of biodiversity? Amazon. What is the world's largest hot desert, the vast sea of sand that crosses Africa? Sahara Desert. What was the Soviet artificial satellite that first reached Earth's orbit and opened the space age for humanity? Sputnik 1. Which city hosted the first headquarters of the World Health Organization, WHO? Geneva. What is the lightest element in the universe that fuels stars through nuclear fusion? Hydrogen. Which insect species has the largest wingspan? Atlas moth. Thanks for watching all the way through. Share your thoughts with us in the comments. Your subscription and likes really support us in making more quiz videos.